Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to create a diamond pattern plot. So let's start this. So firstly, we'll import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So here matplotlib.pyplot which allows us to create plots. And now we'll set the number of rows. So here the variable rows controls the height of the upper half of the diamond. And now we'll create the figure. This initializes a figure with dimensions 6 into 6 inches, and now we'll generate the diamond shape. So basically a diamond shape consists of two triangular halves, the upper half top to middle and the lower half middle to bottom. So firstly we'll create the upper part of the diamond. So for that we'll write. So here the outer loop I iterates over the rows and the inner loop j controls the number of dots per row, and the range rows minus I to minus 1 to rows plus I ensure that dot expand outward and I increases. And here plt.scatter places purple dot as calculated positions. And now we'll create the lower part for the diamond. So here the outer loop I iterates in reverse to form the lower half, and the inner loop j places dots in a shrinking pattern. And here negative 2 into rows minus I minus 2, this correctly positions dot below the center. And now we'll adjust the plot appearance. So for that, now we'll set the axis limit. So here this sets the x-axis limit And here this sets the y-axis limit and ensures the diamond is centered horizontally, and y-limit ensures the full diamond is visible vertically. And now we'll remove the axis and adjust aspect ratio. This removes grid lines and axis labels for a clean display. This ensures equal spacing between the dots. And now we'll add the title. So this adds a suitable title to the plot. And at last, now we'll show the plot. So this displays the plot, and now we can check this. So we can see a diamond pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.